Hi everyone, welcome back to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. Of course, one of the ways I like to do that is by using products from Jordan Essentials. And today I have the September Joyful Jordan box to share with you, along with the September specials. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I'm up here working from home in my office today. We have a gorgeous fall day outside. Things are starting to warm up just a little bit, but we're still having those nice cool mornings and some beautiful sunsets and sunrises. So I will take it. This is my favorite time of the year and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So as I mentioned, I have the Joyful Jordan box here, and I am a Jordan Essentials consultant. So you can find my shopping link and all the information down in the description box of this video. But I am excited to share this with you because for the month of September, they are doing a fun theme called Sleep Timber. So instead of September, it's Sleep Timber. So our Joyful Jordan box, the monthly surprise box, this is $30 and it comes with at least $40 worth of product every month. It's going to be a different collection each month, a little bit of a surprise if you don't watch any sneak peeks. And it'll always have some products that are exclusive where you can't get it in that size or that scent, or maybe even the whole product itself does not come in our regular catalog. So I love that about the Joyful Jordan box because it changes every month. So it gives you a chance to just try a whole bunch of different products if you do a subscription, especially for a year. And you also get those exclusive items that don't come anywhere else in our catalog or in the regular website shopping experience. So it's fun for that reason too. Okay, so let's take a look at this little box of awesomeness. So as I mentioned, we're focused on better sleep in September, which is great because as we go back to school and routines, sometimes that's the hard part, is all those fun summer nights, staying up late when it doesn't get dark until after 9 p.m. It's hard to shift back into going to bed at 7:30 or 8 if you have younger children in the house like we do. So we have this whole little box to help us with that. And the cue card that comes in the box this month says, "Sleep isn't just rest, it's restoration. So curl up, breathe deep, and let the day melt away. Tomorrow needs your best self." And what a cute card. I love that. I want to frame this and put it in my daughter's room. I just think it's such a sweet little reminder. And the back of the card, there's a card that comes in each box. So the back of the card will always tell you what's in the box and how to use it, which makes this a great giftable item too. So we're going to start out with our Sleep Magnesium Spray. Let me find it here. So this is something that does come in the regular catalog. So this would be a great chance to try it out if you've never used it before and just see what you think of it. So we have a whole line of essential oil-based solution magnesium sprays. So each one comes with a different collection of essential oils for different solutions. So we have one for energy, one for allergy relief, one for, I think there's one that's like headache relief. Can't remember if we still have that one or not, but Uplift is one that helps boost your mood. And then of course we have our sleep blend. So the sleep essential oil blend is lavender, orange, and chamomile. And it has the magnesium in it as well, plus it's in a witch hazel base. So it's that gentle witch hazel, which is great for skin, and then magnesium. And the benefit of having it in a spray or a lotion or even our Dead Sea salt soak is that you can absorb it right in through your skin. Your body can take it in, use it where it needs it, and put that magnesium to use right away. So it's great for overall application, especially the spray. You could even use it as a linen spray, just test it on your fabrics first. But I really like the sprays for areas like my back where I can't really reach that well. So after my shower, I'll kind of spritz those kinds of broad areas that I want to get some magnesium. So the spray, the magnesium sleep spray, it says, "A calming blend of essential oils that soothes the mind and supports natural, healthy sleep." How to use: you can spray, it's a spray can be directly applied to skin for wider coverage like over the chest, back of the neck, or whole body. Can also be sprayed on linens or sprayed into the air. So just like I mentioned. And of course, magnesium also helps calm and relax muscles. So it's a great added benefit by having it with the essential oils in our sleep blend. So we have our magnesium spray first, then we have our Sleep Dead Sea Salt Soak, and this is a new item that we just added to our fall winter catalog. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have that linked down below. You can go through my regular website and look for the catalog links there, or if you want, I can also mail you one. There's a number in the description box. You just text the word catalog to me, and then that lets me know you'd like to get one in your hands, and I can even send a sample of our new scent for the fall season, which is called Gingerberry. So anyway, we just got, with this new fall winter catalog, we got Sleep Blend in the Dead Sea Salt Soaks with magnesium. So in this Joyful Jordan box, you're going to get this cute little smaller bag. In the catalog, I think it's a 12-ounce bag. I might be off on that, but I'm pretty sure that's right. And so this is a little bit smaller. This one is a 5-ounce bag. So this is great. You could probably do maybe 2 baths out of this. It actually says pour a 1/4 cup under running water for a bath soak. You could even do 2 tablespoons for a foot soak. So let me read the description here. Dead Sea Salt Soak with the Sleep Blend. Soothe sore muscles and relax deeply with magnesium-rich salts and calming essential oils. And it says pour a 1/4 cup under running water for a bath soak, or use 2 tablespoons for a foot soak. And the benefit of using our Dead Sea salts to soak in versus just an Epsom salt is any kind of salt is going to work to pull toxins out of your body. So they're all going to have that benefit. But the Dead Sea salts, because they come from the Dead Sea, which is full of minerals, it's actually going to put good things back in your body. So you're going to get the added benefit of the magnesium plus all those good essential minerals that our body needs from the Dead Sea that'll be soaking back in through your skin and into your body as you soak in your Dead Sea Salt Soak. So there's some really good benefits to having that. It's great to put in the kids' bath at night. If you need a little help getting them to calm down, the Sleep Blend Dead Sea Salt Soak is perfect to put a little bit in their bathtub, and just kind of helps everybody settle down. It calms the nervous system because you're doing that nice, cozy, relaxing process of taking the warm bath, but then the added benefit of the magnesium and the essential oils all just kind of helps everybody calm down, helps the muscles relax, so it just gets them really ready for a good night's sleep. So we have been using the Dead Sea Salt Soak around our house since my daughter was little. I loved to put that in her bath when she was little. She's 11 now, so mostly she does the shower. But we can even do the Dead Sea Salt Soak, like it mentions, in a foot soak bath. And sometimes we'll do that and watch a movie, which is kind of fun too. All right, our final item is the Sleep Magnesium Lotion. And it says, helps ease muscle aches, cramps, and tension with calming magnesium while hydrating and soothing your skin for restful nights. How to use. You're going to massage into skin directly onto the affected areas as needed, as often as needed. And this is an exclusive item to the box as well. So the little Dead Sea Salt Soak is exclusive because it's in this smaller size. You can get it in the catalog in a bigger size, but not this size. This would also be great for travel. And then this magnesium sleep lotion, we do not have this at all in the catalog in no sizes. It's not available whatsoever. So this is really cool that you get to try this out. That great essential oil blend of the lavender, orange, and chamomile mixed with our really moisturizing and silky soft hand and body lotion with the magnesium blend in there. So this is a little 2-ounce size. Again, this would be great for travel too, because if you're traveling, you're usually not sleeping as good because you're not in your own environment. So what a nice little thing to have there. So that's everything that came in the September Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. So really good value on the box. I want to say this one's valued at $46 or $48. I did the math a little bit ago, now I can't remember, but it's definitely a good value for $30 to get all these great products, and they're definitely things you're going to use around your home with your family. So keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the other specials for the month of September. So the first one, unfortunately, I don't have. We have a customer special every month, and that customer special is something that you can get for $5 whenever you spend $50. And I don't have it with me because I didn't bring it up here, but it's our Applewood Vanilla Spray. So this is a magnesium spray, kind of like our sleep spray here, but it's going to be this lovely applewood vanilla scent for the fall season. It's not in the catalog anywhere. This is just something exclusive for that customer special. So anytime your cart gets to $50 when you're shopping, then it'll trigger that at checkout that it'll offer you that $5 customer special item. So it's a great one just to throw in the cart, have something festive and fun for the holiday season. And of course, then you can use it around your home and just kind of use it as a room spray, but it does have magnesium in it. So just like the sleep spray, it's a great one to use for a quick boost of magnesium to your body. And what a nice scent for the fall season to have. The next thing we'll talk about is our host special. So anytime you host a party, and that could mean you have people in your home. If I'm near you, we could do it where I come to your home and bring the Jordan Essentials products for everyone to try. If you're farther away, I can always send you samples and everyone can just try out the samples. You could also host a party that looks like just carrying around some catalogs and samples and order forms with you for a week, and we take orders that way. It could be a text party. So you just start a group text with you and some friends or family, and I'll join in and share some information about Jordan Essentials and the products. And then we create a special shopping link for you, and everybody shops through that link, and then you get the rewards that way. We can do it on Facebook Messenger or Facebook in general. So there's a lot of ways to be considered a host with Jordan Essentials. And no matter what, when you are a host, you're going to get some great benefits. There's free products you can get. There's half price products you can get. There's lots of good specials. And one of them is our host special each month. And that does change. It's if you have a $500 party, then it's $5 for the host special. So for the month of September, we have our scalp scrub, which is a rosemary, peppermint, and caffeine deep scrub you can use on your scalp. It says deep cleansing, exfoliating scrub, stimulates scalp to strengthen hair. And it comes with a little scrubber that you can use on your scalp. I don't have the scrubber, but I just thought I'd show you the scalp scrub, and you can kind of see it's this kind of thicker shampoo consistency, and then it does have the crushed walnut shells in there. So here in our catalog, it says buffs away buildup and boosts circulation for a cleaner, healthier feeling scalp. And besides the benefits of the crushed walnut shells and the jojoba oil and all those good essential oils, oh my gosh, it smells delightful. That rosemary peppermint is just such the perfect combination because, of course, rosemary helps with hair growth, but then that peppermint is kind of refreshing and cooling and a little tingly on your scalp. So this is a really good one to try out if you've never tried it and you want to be a host this month. So just drop me a comment and I can get connected with you if you're interested in that. Now, if you want to join Jordan Essentials and be part of my team, we have a special for that as well. So you'll get a whole kit when you join of lots of great products, some samples, some tools to help you as you start your business, and you get 3 months free of your website. So you do have a little bit of a technology and website fee each month. I think it's $10 a month. So when you join, you get the first 3 months for free. So that lets you try out the business and get things started for 3 months before that fee comes into play. Besides your kit with all those great products, you'll get the Hydroglow Advanced Eye Serum. I've been loving this. So it has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and caffeine, and it's just this real creamy consistency. So I usually do a little bit on, well, I usually do my 2 ring fingers like that, and then I'll do it under my eye and around my upper eyelid and brow area, and I also do between my eyebrows and over my lip and on the sides of my smile. And of course, it's not going to hurt on the backs of my hands either, but that's a really good one to get as a freebie when you join and be able to try out our new face care line with the hyaluronic acid in it. So we've got that as the join special. One other thing I wanted to mention is that every week we do a weekly WOW, and the WOW stands for within 1 week. So it's a special that runs just for that week from Monday through Sunday. So for this week, we have the magnesium sleep stick that's on special. So just like our sleep blend that's in the Joyful Jordan box, You can get it in the magnesium stick, and this is a great one to rub on the bottoms of your feet. I like to put it under my nose and on my upper lip, especially at bedtime. You can rub it on your chest, on your hands. Another great place for any of our sticks is the inside of your wrist, and the thinner skin there can help absorb the magnesium and the essential oil benefits a little faster. So this is a really good one to get. It's on sale this week only, and next week there'll be something new on sale. But I just wanted to mention that because if you're kind of shopping our website, be sure to check out the sales tab and look up what's new for that week and what's on sale. They're also adding our discontinued items that are left over in stock, and they're just as available. So once they're gone, they're gone. But if you want to look up maybe your favorite scent, like Sea Spa, which was my favorite scent that retired with this new catalog, but I've stocked up and grabbed as much as I can because it's my, of course, I fell in love with it after after they revamped it last year, and now it's gone away, but who knows, it might come back in another form too at some point. So that's everything I have to share with you for September. So we have our September Joyful Jordan box, our host special, our join special, of course, that applewood vanilla spray for your customer special, and the new catalog that just launched last month. So a lot of good things to take a look at if you want to click down in the description into my website and see what's new there. Other than that, thanks for joining me. Have a great one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.